Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to make a card. I got inspired by a card that I saw online. It was so cute. And I thought I could probably try to make something similar instead of buying it. So this is what I'm going to do. Let me first show you the card that I'm trying to make my project off of. I'm using this card as my inspiration. Let me know if you like it. Tell me what you think. So this is what I'm going to do to kind of make something similar. Going to create a text and do the love, and I'm going to switch that to the Cricut sands. Okay, and unlock it, make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to select the card. And actually, let's go back here. I have to detach since I have the score line there. Because remember, if you're going to slice, you can only slice 2 items at a time. So now I'm going to select the card with the verbiage and hit slice. Okay, and then I'm going to move it, get rid of that, and get rid of that, and then move this back up. And I need to now bring that forward. So put send to the front. Okay, send to the back. Okay. And I just want to make sure it's still in the right, it's still centered. So we're going to select everything and click align. And we are going to hit this one. Yay. Okay. Now we're going to select it again and hit attach. So now that score line is attached to the card. Then I'm going to type in here sending our, and then I'm going to change this to okay, so now I'm going to change that text to Pink Lady, one of my favorites. Okay, and I'm going to make this smaller. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this as pen. So we're going to click on here and change the cut to pen. And the color I'm going to do kind of like a goldish color. So we'll just click on that. And then now we're going to select the card along with the new verbiage and hit attach so that knows to write on the envelope, the card. Then I am going to add some hearts. Let me see. Send to the front and send to the front and send to the front. Okay, then we'll kind of adjust this. And what I'm going to do with these hearts, I'm going to use a foil to get the gold that they have. I'm just going to kind of just move these around. Let's see. And let's do something like, do a little bit little smaller. And I like that heart. Let's do another one of those. And slide this over. Kind of want it to kind of look uniformed in a sense. And I'm just clicking on duplicate. Okay, I think that looks good. Okay, so now since we're going to use foil, we are going to change that to foil, and I'm going to use a medium. I'm going to use a medium foil, and then I'm going to click on here and do medium. And I'm just going to default with the color that it's going to, because it's as long as they're all the same, it really doesn't matter because it depends on what foil you place down anyway. So medium and medium. And it probably would have made more sense if I had just did like 3 hearts and then duplicated it after I had already changed it to foil. But live and learn. I didn't think of that until just now. Okay, 2 more to go. And 1 more. Okay, so now we have to select the card again and click attached. Now we're ready to go ahead and make it. Okay, so now we're going to load the mat and do the card. And I wanted to show you on Cricut Design Space that it walks you through it. It'll tell you score, and it'll tell you pen, medium, and foil, and basic cut. So we're just going to follow those steps. And so I'm just going to show you how we do that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is place the pink paper on the mat. And I'm going to use the brayer. I like to use this because it just helps the paper secure better to the mat, so you don't have to use tape. Okay, so now Cricut Design Space is telling me to load the pen, so I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. Okay, and right now it wants me to put the foil on it for the next step, but you do not remove the mat, and I'll show you what you do because you want to leave it as is, so you're going to just very delicately put the foil on. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how. Okay, so I have the foil. Let me get the tape. And I want to leave the mat as is. You don't want to take it off at all. So I'm going to place this. If you see here, it says sending hour. So we know that this part is the part that I want to use the foil. So I'm going to just kind of place it like here. And then it comes with a type of tape. So I'm going to peel some of that off. Wow, that's a long strip. This did not come pre-cut. Okay, so let me cut a few. Okay, so now we are going to tape that there. You just want to get all corners so that it, stays. So I'm going to kind of pulling it a little bit to give it so it's kind of like stretched. And stretched is actually not the word, so it's more secure. Okay. Now we're going to do the same down there. And I'm probably doing way too big a foil because we're only doing this side. But I'm going to just do this anyway because it's all, I can still reuse it once it comes out. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit more tape and just do a little bit more just so it doesn't move around. Okay. Okay, so this is the foil tool and it comes with 3 different sizes. This is medium and then there's small and large. So put that in and I'm going to switch this. Okay, so this is where the pen was, and I went over it a little bit just by hand with a pen just to darken it. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue this to here. So let's get my magic glue stick. And And what I like about this is it goes on purple, but when it dries, it's clear. So let's just kind of put that here. And then I'm going to take the O and put that right here. Okay, we'll set that aside, and then we'll go ahead and do the envelope. Go ahead and just fold on the score lines. Okay, this will go up just like that. So let's glue that and get an idea where that card stops. And here is the card. And I don't know how impressed I am with the foil. I did it at medium, and I think probably I should have done the boldest one, the thickest one, and maybe it would have been more bold. But I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. What do you guys think of this card? I just don't know if I like foil or not. I would love to know what you guys think of foil. Do you like to do foil projects? Well, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today, and thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!